When you think of Chinese cuisine, you probably don't think of sausages. This is a Chinese sausage. This lapchung is salty, it's sweet, and it's super fatty. And it goes on top of my rice in a traditional Cantonese rice dish called clay pot rice. And the other meat I'm using is spare ribs. They're fatty, they're tender, and they're gonna taste so good on top of that rice. A little bit of cornstarch is gonna help tenderize the meat. Flavor time. Soy sauce is my base. It's gonna give it that extra umami flavor. Shaoxing wine, I love using this stuff. The vegetable oil is gonna make it extra smooth. A little bit of sugar, and that sugar is gonna help balance that saltiness. Okay, the meat's gonna cook on top of the rice, but let's get that rice started with some aromatics with shallots, ginger, and garlic. This is long grain rice. It's typically what we use for the clay pot rice, and it's grown in the south. I love toasting them just before we add in the water. It's gonna give that nuttiness. All right, I'm gonna let this cook. Check on this. Woo! The rice is not cooked through, but that's exactly what I want. I'm gonna add those marinated spare ribs. Remember those Chinese sausages? So you're gonna go right on top. And if you can't find them, you can just leave them out. While this cooks away, I want a really nice sauce to go with it. I got some soy for that saltiness, but it's all about balance. That dark soy has that extra intensity, and I like that velvety texture that the oyster sauce gives. And the aromatics, one of my favorites is sesame oil. Sugar is gonna balance all those flavors, sweeten it, and also help with the caramelization. I wanna see this mixture bubble and thicken and reduce to that thick, velvety sauce. It smells so good in here. Oh my goodness. Look at that rice and that pork. I just want to get in there. And that sausage turned extra red. And now the sauce. Look how thick it got. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Right. Time to eat this. That meat is so tender. That sausage just melted in my mouth with all that fattiness. And that rice is full of flavor.